What is up, my Back to Life family? I am back today with a video. We're gonna call it a Chipotle Mukbang. Okay, Chipotle is one of my favorite meals. I literally this week had it Monday through Friday. Yep, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and today's Friday making this video. I've had this every single day, and it literally tastes just as good every day. But I just want to jump in. I used to make mukbang videos, eating food and all that stuff. I haven't done that in forever. So I wanted to jump on here, eat my food, talk to you a little bit. And I'm actually salivating thinking about eating this. I've had a long day at work, which I'll talk about during the video. And I'll just get into conversation with you. If you're eating or something like that, you can use this video and just have a good conversation while we eat. So anyways, yes, we got the chips. Then we got some napkins. We got the salsa, the guacamole. We got a plate of food right here. And we got a fork. See, when I was in India, this type of food I would actually eat with my hands. And that's what I would do. But now that I'm back in America, it's not like that here. We don't use our hands when eating this type of food, so you gotta kind of just adapt to what's going on. But I got my salsa right here. Then I got my guac right here. And we're gonna open that up just like so. Put that over there. Open that up just like so. Put that over there. Take these chips. Good chips right here, y'all. That's what I like to do. I like to take half the bag so that I still have half the bag later. And then I like to put this right there on the napkin because I get a little messy. Oh, I'm salivating, y'all. But this is what I have right here, y'all. We got rice, black beans, brown beans, vegetables like red peppers, sauteed red peppers, onions. Then I have diced tomatoes. Then I have, medium salsa, a little spicy. Then I got some cheese on there. Got some corn salsa on there. Oh, man. Hold on a second, y'all. Amen. All right, now I can eat. Oh, and you might be looking at the new Back to Life merch. This is the embroidered collection. Even the hat is embroidered. But I'm excited. Got new merch, got food, and I'm about to just dig in real quick. So y'all bear with me for a second. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at this. Just look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, it dropped out. Come back. Oh my goodness. And chip with a guacamole. If you've never had Chipotle, you're missing out. Chipotle is definitely the move. Yeah, literally. This is good stuff. So, I don't know. Like, I don't know if you can see the peppers and everything in there. I'll move it up a little bit. I'm not sure what it's focused on right now, but we got the peppers, the rice, the beans, the cheese, all that good stuff going on in there. But y'all, life is good. As y'all can see, I got my Christmas tree in the background. My sister set it up for me. I live alone, so that probably wouldn't have gone up if my sister hadn't done that for me. This is, hey, oh, somebody put some peppers in that. Oh, oh my gosh. Okay. The guacamole, just smashed up avocado. That's so good. A little salsa. If I had to describe this, I would describe it as like Americanized Mexican food. Because when I went to Mexico, they don't have food like this. It's way more authentic and way more like cultured food. But I love this. I love rice. I love beans. and I don't eat meat. Sometimes I eat seafood, but it's becoming rarer and rarer as time passes. So rice, beans, veggies, I can do that. When I was in India though, I would eat food like this with my hands, just boom, 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 get it together, use my thumb as like a spoon and just, but like I said, I've been back in America for like 3.5 months now. No, 3.5. June, July, August, September, October, November, December. I've been back for 7 months. Goodness gracious. Yeah, I got back in May, late May. So, you just adapt to where you're at and keep it moving. So that's what I'm doing. And what I'm excited about, the holidays are coming up. And so we got Christmas, Thanksgiving passed, had a good time with family. Christmas is coming up, which is a good time to hang out with family and such. Oh, that's so good. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my goodness. It makes me lose my train of thought. I need to slow down when I eat, but I can't. That is good stuff, y'all. I'm so sorry. But regardless, yeah, I'm back home doing all kinds of cool stuff. You'll probably wonder why my videos are all over the place. I got music videos coming out, which I have a song coming out next Saturday. Make sure y'all pre-save. The link will be in the bio. Pre-save this song. I got a music video coming out for it. It's called It's Not You, It's Me. Y'all are gonna love it. It's a catchy song. I'm so excited about it. I'm so excited about this song. It's probably the most excited I've been about any song that I've ever done. So make sure that y'all pre-save this song for me. And sorry y'all, the peppers are hot. Somebody put some kind of peppers up in here. But make sure y'all pre-save that song for me. Then you're probably wondering why I'm doing construction and all this stuff. So I'm doing business here in Chattanooga now. I just got a lot going on. Y'all know me. If I'm not doing something different every day, then something must be wrong. So I'm all over the place, but for some reason, that's just how I love living life. That's what back to life is to me, honestly. It's just doing what you want to do and, you know, trying to make a difference and being a positive person and just being excited and loving what you do, regardless if it's like digging a hole or cleaning or I don't even know, but like, or working at a desk job or working construction or driving the coolest car or driving the worst car. Like, I just appreciate every single moment, no matter what it is, because that, like, you cannot take life for granted, for real. You can't do that. If you start taking life for granted, no, just don't. I don't even want to speak on that, because that's unfair to everybody who got their life taken short or have to deal with some type of situation in their life that makes life really rough, you know what I'm saying? But as long as you got air to breathe, as long as you got eyes and you can wake up, you're good to go. You know, just be grateful, be thankful, and just keep living. That's what back to life is to me, y'all. Like, literally. It's a daily reminder to live. It's not a joke. That's my life. But during this time, I'm kind of curious. Since everything happened in the world, since the craziness of what has been going on has lingered on for what, like 7, 8, 9 months now, what has everybody been up to? Like, What have you been doing? What have you been getting into? What have you done to keep yourself distracted? Did your job shut down? Did you continue doing stuff? Did you get into business? Did you get into, you know, trying to build yourself up? Did you go buy a house? Did you build your credit? Did you draw something? Like, did you read a book? I'm excited and I'm eager for 2021 for sure. But I want to know, like, what did 2020 do to you? Like, did it help you grow? Did it help you realize things? Did it help you understand things? Like, that's what I'm curious to know, because 2020 for me was wow. It was a year of growth, man. When I got stuck and I couldn't leave the house for 60 days when I was in Kerala, India, I had so much time to myself and so much time to think that, oh my gosh, I talked to God every day for hours and hours and hours. It was crazy. It was so crazy, y'all. Those were rough mental moments, but I persevered and I learned about myself so much that I'm so grateful for those moments. Like, no lie, I needed that in my life. Like, I'm not happy that the world shut down and all this stuff, but I'm happy that I had time to ground myself mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually. And, you know, you still struggle with certain things here and there, different moments, but that was definitely something that I needed to better understand what I was going through and things like that when I was traveling the world. But life is good, honestly. And usually I have my big pitcher of water, but I didn't pour any water. I don't feel like getting up, so I'm just gonna keep eating because it's so good. Again, y'all, rice, beans, cheese, tomatoes, sauteed vegetables, salsa, cheese. Oh my gosh. But it's spicy. Somebody put some hot peppers. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is good stuff. See, look, I'm out of chips, right? No, I'm not. Bam! Got another half of it. But I love Chipotle. So if Chipotle, if you see this video, I would love to do a sponsored video with y'all. By all means, I would love to. Just let me know. But also, I want to thank y'all, everybody who does watch this video, for sticking with me through thick and thin, watching all my different adventures, endeavors. I know I don't stick to one thing, so if you do watch me, that means you're okay with seeing me do a million different things, so I appreciate that so much. I love you, for real. Every single one of you. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Real talk. But I just figured I'd do a little Chipotle mukbang, have some amazing food, connect with y'all, talk to y'all for a little bit. And just appreciate y'all for what all you do for me. And ask, what have you been doing? Make sure y'all put that in the comments. I'm really curious to know what y'all have been doing, what's been keeping you busy, etc. But I think this is a good time to end the video. I don't want to eat too long, get y'all all bored. So Make sure y'all let me know what y'all been doing. Drop a comment. Let me know what's been going on in your life. I want to try to connect more. It's tough with all the stuff I got going on to post a lot and do all those things, but I try my best, I promise, because I love y'all. The Back to Life family is real and I love y'all so much. But if you did enjoy the video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. And make sure you follow me on TikTok and on Instagram at NicoTJR. You can follow me all along throughout the days. I literally post all the time. Also, check out shopbacktolife.com. Grab you some merch. Support the movement. We got hats. We got crew necks, t-shirts, hoodies, you name it. And just without further ado, I love y'all so much. I appreciate you sticking with me. Y'all are amazing. The Back to Life family is so freaking awesome. But without further ado, I'm a Back to Life family. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.
I know that I can, I know that I can, I know that I can, I know that I will, and I know that I am, yeah, I know that I can, I will, and I am.